Alright, tech fam, let's talk about the refreshed MSI Titan 18HX. This beast just dropped for 2025, and while it's the third 18-inch powerhouse we've seen this year, MSI took a different approach. No radical redesign, just a straight-up spec bump. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. The Titan's chassis is still one of the slickest in the game, blending premium build quality with a vibe that's more stealthy workstation than RGB overload. But here's the twist, this laptop feels caught between two worlds. Is it a no-compromises gaming rig? Or a portable creative workstation? Spoiler, it's both but with some quirks. Buckle up, cause we're diving deep. Under the hood, our review unit packs the laptop RTX 5090 running at full 175W TGP paired with Intel's top-tier Core Ultra 9285HX. Now here's the kicker, Razer's Blade 18 is the only other laptop betting on this CPU, and after testing, well, let's just say there's a reason most brands stick with the 275HX. More on that soon. Oh, and before you ask, yes, I'm working on getting that Acer Predator 18 with AMD's X3D chip. Hit subscribe so you don't miss that showdown. RAM? MSI kept it modest with 64GB DDR5, slightly faster clocks this year. But here's the head-scratcher, only 2 SODIMM slots. Weird flex, MSI. Sure, 128GB is possible once 64GB modules hit the market, but why not 4 slots like last gen? Storage, though? No complaints. Our unit's loaded with 6TB of NVMe SSD madness, 1 Gen 5 slot, 3 Gen 4S. Translation, your Steam library? Fully portable. Now the chassis. Same stunning 18-inch mini-LED display as 2024, 4K, 120Hz, HDR so bright you'll need sunglasses. No G-Sync still hurts, especially when frame rates dip below 120Hz in demanding titles. But for cinematic games like The Last of Us Part 2, pure eye candy. I hit 100 FPS in 4K with HDR, and wow, those visuals hit different. Creators, note, local dimming isn't switchable, but MSI tossed in pre-calibrated color profiles. Not perfect for color-critical work, but hey, pros already own reference monitors, right? Performance time. The Core Ultra 9285HX should be Intel's fastest mobile chip, but benchmarks tell a different story. It's basically a 275HX with slightly higher clocks. Multi-core? Solid uplift over last gen's 14900HX. Single core? Meh. And in PC mark, it oddly trails the Alienware M18 and last year's Titan. Weird. But GPU-wise? The 5090 shines, in synthetics at least. Fire Strike? Top of our charts. Time Spy? Modest gains. Port Royal, pure GPU load? 14% faster than the 4090. But real-world gaming? That's where things get spicy. Cyberpunk 2077 in 4K? The Titan dominates, especially with DLSS and frame gen path tracing at 22 FPS native. Crank settings to performance plus 3x frame gen and boom, 130 FPS. Input lag? Barely noticeable. Indiana Jones with path tracing? Sub 20 FPS native but DLSS performance plus 4x frame gen locks 120Hz. Yeah, fake frames are divisive, but dang, it works. Fan noise? Predictably loud under load, but MSI's AI engine, marketing, or magic, adapts well for gaming/editing. Battery life? Exists. Competitors like the Scar 18 last longer, but let's be real, you're not buying this for coffee shop sessions. Final verdict? If you find a 2024 Titan on sale, maybe grab it. No G-Sync in 2025 still stings and raw performance gains aren't earth-shattering. But if you demand the best right now, this Titan's a monster. Gorgeous display, desktop-tier power, and build quality that laughs at backpacks. Just know it's a luxury, not a value play. Drop a comment, would you take this over a 4090 laptop? And don't forget to smash like/subscribe for more deep dives. Next up, AMD's X3D Gaming Beast. Catch you in the next one.